In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to compress an image in Photoshop without losing quality. This is one of the most useful skills if you're uploading images online, sending files to clients, or just trying to save storage space without making your images look blurry or pixelated. The best part is, this method is quick, simple, and works every single time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image inside Photoshop. Once your image is ready, go up to the top menu and click on File. Then hover over Export and select Export As. This is the key feature we'll be using to control both quality and file size at the same time. After clicking Export As, a new window will open with several options. The first thing you want to do here is choose the correct file format. If you're working with a photograph, go with JPG since it provides great compression while keeping the image looking sharp. If your image has transparency, like a logo or graphic, choose PNG instead. Next, look for the quality slider. This is where the magic happens. Instead of keeping it at 100%, which creates a large file size, bring it down to somewhere between 80 and 90%. This range is the sweet spot because it significantly reduces file size while keeping the image visually identical to the original for most people. You usually won't notice any quality loss at all. Now, just below that, make sure to enable Convert to sRGB. This is very important if your image will be viewed on the web, because it ensures consistent colors across different devices and browsers. Without this, your image might look slightly off when uploaded online. You can also preview the file size on the left side of the window, which helps you see how much space you're saving in real time. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Export, choose where you want to save your file, and you're done. That's it. You've successfully compressed your image while keeping the quality high. This simple method can save you tons of storage and make your images load faster online without sacrificing how they look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.